Hello, it's Kay, and in today's swatch sesh, I want to share some new releases from Glam Polish's Halloween Horror Shop and their limited edition Halloween Trio. Now, aside from that, I did pick up a couple of other polishes that aren't part of their Halloween release, but honestly, you wouldn't know that unless you already knew that because they definitely look the part. So let's go check these out. Naughty Little Goal. This is from this year's limited edition Halloween trio. Now, at first glance, you see the blue and neon green colors, which are definitely taking the spotlight here, but there's also a sapphire aurora shimmer running throughout, a very minimal amount of black flakies, and purple and green teal metallic glitters. Now, aside from that, if you take a really close look, you'll notice that the neon green hexes are matte, while the blue, purple, and green do have that metallic sheen, which adds some nice interest when the polish catches the light. Feed Me. Feed Me is part of the brand's 10th anniversary Halloween horror shop, which has a pretty strong orangey, reddish type of shimmer running throughout, but what really makes this polish fun is those big old green and purple circle glitters floating alongside the smaller black and purple ones. This one also combines those matte and metallic glitter finishes, with the purple ones being metallic. Now, if you are curious about comparing this one to Everybody Scream, this is what they look like next to each other. You can see that there's definitely some similarity, but they are quite obviously different. You're a Vicious Snowflake. So this is another from Glam Polish's Halloween Horror Shop. This one has a sapphire aurora shimmer, but it's definitely not as strong as the shimmer in Feed Me. This one's quite more delicate. Now, what really gets me excited is the super fun blue, pink, and purple glitter mix that we have going on here. I love that they also went with a mix of matte and metallic finishes, with the tiny purple ones having that metallic sheen. We also get some black flakies, but a very minimal amount. Honestly, you can't really appreciate them too much because the other colors definitely distract you. Into the Groove. So this one could have tricked me into thinking it was part of their Halloween shop. Black and pink will forever be Halloweenish to me, and this one's a little different because it does have some tiny hollow scattered throughout the base, but we cannot ignore the pink and black circle glitters. They are definitely the star of the show, along with what Glam Polish calls leopard print glitters. So I don't know, maybe if you're dressing up as a black and pink leopard for Halloween, this could be your polish match. I didn't actually get any of those leopard print glitters on my nail, but let me show you a bottle comparison of this one alongside Pretty Girl Bling, which also has that pink and black color combo, but the glitter size is smaller and Pretty Girl Bling does not have any hollow in the base. Girls Just Want to Have Fun. This polish reminds me of candy, just like being a kid and dumping all of my Halloween candy on the kitchen table and seeing all of the bright colored candy wraps and all of that, because what we have here is a bunch of glitters in all colors, just a true rainbow assortment of glitters in different sizes. But Glam Polish went beyond that and included iridescent glitters, which just add more fun and pops of color once it catches the light. Let me not forget the tiny micro hollow scattering as well. I don't know, I just feel like this polish really reminds me of the colorful aspects of a season that is so closely associated with darkness, and those colorful aspects to me are just like the costumes and the candy. TLDL, here is the Glam Polish Halloween haul. Now going back to what I mentioned in the intro, I think Into the Groove and Girls Just Want to Have Fun fit in nicely with the Halloween theme. Halloween is such a colorful celebration amidst the darkness, right? That I feel like it can be very easy to squeeze in any bright color into the Halloween category. We certainly appreciate the spooky dark colors, but also the bright and fun colors of costumes, the fun lights, the colorful candy that are also part of my personal childhood memory and maybe even part of yours as well. So I hope you enjoyed today's swatch sesh and I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.